Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to my channel Preschool Education Hub. So let us see what are we going to learn today. So today we will learn revision of A as we have already learned letter A. For this I will write the description link in the description box so you can check it there. After the revision A, we will do some activity of letter A. Then it will be an introduction of letter B. Then the pre-math concept of big and small. So kids will learn here the difference between big and small. Then the topic is health and hygiene. So brush your teeth. So we will teach the kids should brush their teeth every day and twice a day, morning and evening. After that, kids will learn about healthy fruits and they should eat fruits every day. Then there are some coloring activities for them. So let us start the video. So as usual, we will start the video with a prayer. Thank you for the food we eat. Thank you for the friends we meet. Thank you for our work and play. Thank you for this happy day. Now we will do the revision of A. So this revision of A, as you can see here, we have two A here. One is in red color and one is in white color. This white color, these all the parents can make this A like a sand letter. So how they can make a sand letter at home? For this, please write one big A on any sheet, and after that please apply some glue here, and after that just sprinkle some salt on it. Then your letter will be ready. Like this you can make all the letters for your kids. This will give a for the sensory feel. Now when the kids will touch it, and they will get the feeling of how they can write the letters. So let us start. Let us see what do we have here. So this is yes. So like this they can just touch it and they can feel it. They can feel the shape of the letter, how they can write. So this is letter A. So which letter is this? A. So now we have one more here. Oh, what is this? This is an ant. Ant. So let us see what this ant is going to do. This ant is going to teach us letter A. But how? Oh, this ant is writing A. What is this? A. So and we have already learned apple, alligator, and now and. So one more activity we have here. For this, the parents can again write one letter A and then give them red color crayon so the kids can color letter A with the red crayon. So like this, they can color the letter A. So when we do multiple times of any letter with different activities, so kids will remember it and they will learn it easily while doing these activities. Now the introduction of letter B. So for this introduction, as in the playgroup, it is only for the recognition. So now this, let us see though how many, what are the things we have with the letter B. The sound is B. So what do we have? B, butterfly. Ball. And balloon. Now this is for the pre-math concept. Pre-math concept of the big and small things. So kids will see the difference of the big and small things. So let us see what are the big things we have here. we have one big, oh my God, this is such a big fish. See, it's a whale and it's a very, very big fish. And the next thing we have, see the fish, it is swimming. And this is an alligator. What is this? Alligator. Such a big alligator. And now we have elephant. So big elephant we have here. And next thing, oh my God, this is lion. Such a big lion. And next thing we have butterfly. Butterfly, 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 butterfly. It's a big butterfly. And a very big duck. And what we have here? Big house. And a big ball. And a big bottle of jam. And such a big carton. A big jug. And a big basket. Now we'll see the small things. So many small things we have here. We have a small butterfly, small ball, a small hut, a small duckling, small carton, small ant, small mouse, small jug, then again small basket, one small bottle, one small fish, and small insect, that is iguana. Now we'll see brush your teeth. So here we have your teeth, then we have brush and the paste. So do you brush every day? You should brush every day. In the morning, as soon as you get up in the morning, then you should brush your teeth to kill all the germs. So your teeth will be happy. But if you don't brush, then what will happen? See, my teeth is crying because there is one germ is there, one bacteria is there on the teeth. So this bacteria will bite my teeth now. And here again, so many germs are there. All these germs will eat my teeth now. So what we have to do? To kill all these germs, we have to brush. So if we brush, then what will happen? Oh, teeth is shining, teeth is happy. So what we will do? We'll brush every day and we will kill all these germs. My brush will fight with them. So let us see one. Let us learn one rhyme. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush it every day. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, brush it every day. So here I have given one link. So all the parents can show, they can click on this link and the kids can watch any rhyme related to the brush. So they will learn that they have to brush every day. And here are so many fruits, juicy, juicy fruits. So let us see, do you eat fruits every day? Fruits will make us healthy and strong. So we should eat fruits every day. So let us see which fruits we have. We have watermelon. It's green and red and so many seeds. And next we have black grapes. grapes. Juicy, juicy grapes. And next, apple. Round and red in color. What is the shape? Round, round. And next we have mango. Mango is the king of all the fruits and it is in yellow color. Next we have orange, juicy, juicy orange, juicy, juicy orange. And what is the color of the orange? It's orange color. Next we have green grapes. Here we have black grapes. Here we have green grapes. Then we have papaya. Papaya is also very good and it has so many small seeds. And this is kiwi. Kiwi from inside it is in green color. And then we have banana, my favorite banana. So we will eat all these fruits every day. If you eat all these fruits, so you will become healthy and strong. And your body will kill all the bacteria, all the germs from inside. So now let us see one more rhyme with this. So let us see how many uh, fruits we have here. Here we have banana, we have apple, we have orange, we have mango, we have cherry, strawberry, and once again watermelon. So let us learn one rhyme. Banana, apple, orange, cherry. Banana, apple, orange, cherry. Mango, watermelon, and strawberry. All the fruits are my dear. I wash them very clear and eat them without fear. So will you eat fruits every day? Yes, you will eat fruits every day. Now here, to inculcate the habit to eat fruits every day, the parents they can do some activity with the kids or tell them to the kids to do this activity. So how they can do? Here we have the activity with the for the watermelon. So this you can make either with the paper plate or any white sheet also will do. For this, cut this into this shape semicircle and then tell the kids to color it with the red color and outside one green color. And then inside again they can do either thumb printing or the finger painting for the seeds. Then here we have one more activity for the apple, for the mango. Now how they can do this? Mango again with the finger painting they can do. Just give them some yellow color and let them do the dabbing of the yellow color. Now again we have bubble wrap activity. For this bubble wrap activity, please take some bubble wrap sheet and cut it in any fruit shape. Now draw any fruit on white sheet paper and give some water or poster color to kids and tell them to dip bubble sheet in colors and do the dabbing on the fruit shape. So like this, they will get the apple or the any fruit shape you can draw there. Now I'll tell you something about my channel. This channel is about the pre-primary classes and every video is for a particular class. This video was for playgroup class. So next video will be for the nursery class and all the videos are based on the curriculum based education you will get here. So please like, share and subscribe my channel and to hit the bell button for the notification. Thank you very much.